Supposedly hearing a squeal from this unit coming out the vent. I've been running the heat and the fan on. I even turned this outside fresh air damper on. I don't hear no squealing. I don't hear it. I'm going to take this cover off and see what the fan looks like. Maybe oil it while I'm here. I'm kind of losing my hearing, but I don't think it's that bad. I don't hear anything out of the ordinary. I do not hear anything out of the ordinary here. That I would say is a big issue. A squealer. I don't hear anything that would be a squealer. Well, let's see. While I'm here, Saturday. It's a first company unit. Three ton it looks like, 36. The fan looks a little dusty, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy here. Probably get in there and clean that coil a little bit. That might be a get in there and clean that coil a little bit. Wouldn't hurt it. Wouldn't hurt to get in there and give that coil a good brush, and it might be getting a whistling through that. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. Definitely a little gnarly looking. He's a little gnarly looking now. Yeah, the coil's definitely dirty. Look at this shit in here. I'll give that thing a good how you doing there, that coil. And I didn't really hear any whistling going on, but that dirty coil wouldn't be helping it any. Sometimes you gotta brush your teeth twice a day here. Good, how you doing? Woohoo! That heating coil being dirty like that would potential to be a whistler. Heating coil's bad like that. You know what, the cooling coil is going to be the same, right? Never been cleaned in 25 years probably. That's definitely cleaner than it was. Yeehaw! Put that back together. That panel. There's a leaker. I've been running it. I didn't hear anything. I did open up the vent all the way downstairs. It was kind of like halfway closed, pointing in towards the desk area. That might have been the whistling that they heard. So I did open the vent all the way and clean the coil, and we'll see if I get some oil on the motor maybe. I didn't hear the motor squealing. It's going to be a flipping pull this fan out of here. It's going to be a major job. I'd rather not do it unless I have to. Gotta dismantle everything to get the fan out. It ain't gonna be easy. Not gonna be an easy one. I could even oil the fucking motor. Motor's on the bottom there. See if is there an oiler on it? I can't see. Not really. See how the motor starts when I start it. Are you ready? I'm going to turn it on. See how... Too bad. It used to be a little better. No, that's with it. Wow. There's a leaker. It's like a 90-year-old woman in a nursing home here, you know. I mean, what are you going to do with her? Keep her comfortable. That's about it. I'm going to keep her comfortable. What else you going to do with her? Do a flipping boob job on her. And these new equipment here, this equipment ain't looking the healthiest. It's a crusty one, Mama. It's a crusty one. That coil was pretty dirty in the front there, so I mean it's possible that wind was whistling through that coil. We'll listen to it when I get downstairs. I got this fresh air open thing. Plus I got the heat going. Alright, so I cleaned out the heat coil and I opened up the front door register, 100% open. What a bit of shit I took out of that coil. Alright. Hear no whistling here. This is the one they're complaining about, the whining. I did open it up. It was, the vents were tipped this way. Hope you can hear the air coming out, but I got the vents tipped out more. I don't hear no whistle. Alright, so I turned this thing up. I put that to 50. I had turned it to 75 and I'll put this back to 68 where they had it.